Good morning, children. In our previous class, we have completed page number 162. We have completed the words of Unit 2, My Amazing Body of page 162. Then we have completed some parts I can see. Some of the parts you can see, that is eyes, ears, nose, hands, tongue. And these are, what are these? These are your sense organs. Okay, some of you have shown the picture of a legs, and I can walk, two legs that help me to walk. Then many of you have drawn the picture of a feet and written that two feet that help me to walk and jump. Very good, children, that you have added more sentences to this. Means you have understood very nicely. Now next, many of you have drawn a body of a boy or a girl and you have labeled the parts also. Very good, children, keep it up. Very nicely you have labeled the parts also. Now let us move to page number 163. Now on page number 163, they have given some body parts, that is like a heart, lungs, then brain, stomach. In our stomach, intestine. That you are unknown to this because they are inside our body. Outside part you can see eyes, ears, nose, and you can show also. But today what we will read about a heart. A heart, what does it functions? It pumps the blood to the whole part of the body. Brain, our brain help us to think. Whatever we have to do the work, what we have to read, write and by heart, our brain help us to do these things. So this is the function of our brain. Then lungs. What is the function of our lungs? We respire, we breathe air, we took oxygen inside and gives out carbon dioxide. This process is called respiration. So this is what our lungs do the function. For this, scientifically we call it inhaling or exhaling. After that, stomach. What is the main role of the stomach is the food what we eat. Dinner, we call it a meal. Dinner, lunch, breakfast, supper, we call it our meals. Whatever the meals we eat, that is digested by an intestine, that is a large intestine to small intestine. So the stomach helps to digest our food. These are the functions. So children, open your test book, page number 163. Today we will do reading. Already we have completed 20 words from this part. Shall we read that one once? First one is important, parts, inside, heart, pump, blood, whole, brain, think, controls, protected, skull, lungs, breathe, stomach, doctor, stethoscope, heartbeat, mirror, moisture. These are the 20 words which we have learned from this page. So note down your homework. Your homework is homework, read page number 162 and 163. Two times you have to read both the page. Okay, children? Now open test book, page number 163. We will do the reading. Okay, open your test book. Open page 163. See children, I have written here classwork. Write it here, classwork. And today's date 22nd of August 2021. Some important parts of our body I cannot see as they are inside. So which are the parts of the body which you cannot see? They are inside a heart. First is heart. My heart, which is like a pump. See, your heart is like a pump and sends blood to the whole body. The heart sends blood to the whole body. Children, are you reading with me? Yes, once again keep your pencil or your finger and read with me. Some important parts of the body I cannot see as they are inside. Heart, my heart, which is like a pump and sends blood to the whole body. My brain, second one is your brain. My brain, which helps me to think and control my body. It is the boss. So mind, that is your brain, is the boss. It is protected by a skull. It is protected by your skull, and upper your skull you are having heads. So your brain is protected by the skull. Third one is lungs. My lungs, which help me to breathe. So your lungs help to breathe. I have two lungs. So everyone is having lungs in a pair, that is two lungs. So next one is stomach. My stomach, which helps to break up means to break the food particles and digest the food I eat. It helps to break the food what you eat and digest the food I eat. My stomach, what your stomach does? My stomach, which helps to break up and digest the food I eat. These are called my internal organs. So which are that? These four things are your internal organs: heart, brain, lungs, stomach. Now activity. See children, very nice activity they have given here. You have to do it by yourself. Put your hands against your heart and feel it beat. As I told you, I have asked the question children, that how many times does your heart beats? Normally it is from 71 to 70 times per minute. So put your hand against your heart and feel it beat. Once again do this activity. See, the boy is keeping his left hand on his heart and the right hand above the left hand, and he is observing his heartbeat. Now see, the doctor used a stethoscope. This is the stethoscope to feel the heartbeat. So when he keeps this on your heart, he feels your heartbeat. If anyone is there in your home, doctor, just take the stethoscope and feels your heartbeat. Another one activity is there. Put your lips on a mirror. Just stand in front of a mirror and put your lips on the mirror as you breathe. When you breathe, you will leave some moisture. There is a small dot of water will be there seen on the mirror. See, the girl is put her lips in front of the mirror. She breathes. How she breathes? See, a small white color drops of water you can see on the mirror. Yes, isn't it? What is this? This is your breathe. This is the air what you breathe. It shows on the mirror. Just do this activity. You will see that one. Put your lips on a mirror, and as you breathe, you have to breathe. You will leave some moisture on the mirror. That moisture on the mirror is that your breathe. This is your breathe. Understand? So you must always breathe properly through your nose. How you have to breathe? By your mouth? No children, you have to breathe properly through your nose. This is taught in yoga. So children, those who are doing yoga, they will, in this yoga period, you will be taught how to breathe properly through your nose. So whenever you breathe, don't use the mouth, use the nose to breathe properly. Note down your homework children. Your homework is, you have to read page number 162 and 163. 2 times you have to read it. So what you have to do? Daily, when there is a reading period, slowly you should pause the video and you should complete your reading. When reading work is given to you, children, don't neglect. Again and again pause the video and see which word you find difficult. You can repeat it again and again. In this way, you have to learn to read by yourself. Okay children, read page number 162 and 163 2 times and by heart your words given in the previous class, and send your work to me. Okay, now I will send one video clip after this. Okay children, take care. Bye.